This road from Abia to Enugu has been blocked, and what they're saying is that the Fulanis attacked their community and killed one of their brothers. So the road have been completely shut down. It's crazy, man. They're breaking bottles and block the whole road. And this is just on the border between Abia and Enugu. It's crazy. So we have to try to find a way to turn around. And the other thing again is the blockage of the road. Now they have blocked the road. There's no way to turn. It's crazy.
Ibeku Security Network. Action. Ibeku Security Network. Action. Action. Ikulibe Ibeku. I want the Ibeku Security Network. I na boundary between Ibeku and the Bende. I better kind of lekono to our hand. Lekone farm anye. Nde wi anye. No munna na geno. Na for kai makono to ni ha na nde Fulani neme. I bela be check o ha. Abuna ngacha kwa ngeka kwa boundary njikotara na ndo ho. Otu aka ngi si gaya to make sure na Ibeku. Na onye obula mbara farm ga be saved. I have na agagharị anyị anaghị ezu ike to make sure that our people ga dị safe. Kala anyị niile agakwara ndị isi Ibeku niile ebe ọ gbasara Chiedozie Martins Sir Jerry onye isi anyị bụ CSO basket Sir Chief Uche ihe mere mmadụ onye isi anyị mama
Even the man again taking a quamono na video who na chaketa bo video protest ga on Abia State few days ago. Or protest kedi hende bodo ne protest Fulani Herdsmen. Fulani Herdsmen can me protest here. So now I begin to ask me now, the distraction and the mind game is getting more clearer now. Or to be more clearer, because now I will not say that Neme could be here many times, but it's obvious that now fingers are pointing towards the same direction. Alex Otti, don't think that now people are not halfway home in Eme. People are not halfway home in Eme. They are seeing it, but they don't want you to take the glory. Because automatically now the thing you blow hele. I repeat, people na free in me. Man ha choro ki take the glory. Because now it automatically butel her hele. Hope him could declare. At least you people know that this channel can bear me witness that for like I combine one video me go about Alex Otti and can we quick enlighten the public about what is going on? One every week now I make a video about Alex Otti. At least by average of 3 to 4 videos every blessed week. Which is getting the same work. Obona me kuno on a matter of mankucha on the matter of I will still highlight the issue of security. Nkucha nanke security on them, I will still tell them to improve more. On the last time Unkuloka was saying that the security did well by Olo Haje, man they need to beef up more security. And also with them video about a man of God, a Sekwalo, that said something in the line of what I was speaking about since Odin Noka. Or just for that video, I didn't know it's a confirmation of what I have been saying. The reason why Ukuakajiwena Odeka Imago Odeka the mainstream media actually capture their attention. They are saving the videos for you. Hani see via for you Hayejia Weba Gitako. Because when time begins to unfold now, when their plans and begins to mature, they begin to see all this attack in Ime city centers. Nime city center. By then, by then, now villagers has been complaining. People like us never take the news, Kita. When the time comes, makwa ama that we spoke against this thing. Alex Otti, biko, yes, you are working, you are doing everything to make sure na ndị Abia no mma. Mana ikwe na ka ndị a welu ofe ihe, ka ha welu ofe ihe. That's these people they mean and how they wicked and terrible. The people again how they make it how they mean and how they wicked and how they terrible. One word didn't you describe how political vampires. Oh yeah, bundu buorobala. That is who they are. They don't care whether na mmadụ or dendo na mmadụ na anwụ anwụ. In as much as na ha nweteli ha na achọ, who goes you gbasara ha. Because Alex Otti nwanna me shokwa me dị n'ala me si dị n'ala na yobange. Because no share no video m ka ofia. Before more securities in email these villages. Before this security in email these villages. Because I'm still begging. I am still begging. The mainstream media are seeing this thing, but because they need to gather more. They are trying to gather more this thing, details against you. I know how these people works. I know how they think. I know how they operate. I know how they think. I know how they operate. They are gathering these things for you. They are gathering how you do campaign or war. And by the time Happy do it, will be back to back, and it will make it looks believable. Plus, AI generate it to escalate it, call them. They want to make it looks believable and real. When the attacks get into the city, city center, city. Oh, we can I no wonder signal would they wake up one day when I'm not na ndo Fulani Herdsmen are what boy mobudo clear mother 15 or mother 30. If you get that, they will begin to, ebido banya. Maniha can mobile. You are working, yes. I'm money busy. But please, when it comes to the issue of life, security, life, property security. Add more security to Abia State villages. I keep saying it, other interconnected cities, villages around you. Because add your security in those places. Han already 24/7. Also, kuya bolono ewu gafe. Si jide di ewu search ya. She did the search. Okale warranty delay ya for 24 hours. People have gafe. Kama na some of them are mad because by the time I go they will turn back to human being. Upon Hana ewu ago okoko. Nkobu natural gafe. See detain. Let there be a law to detain them for 1 day. Because nobody onwo na turn ewu okoko no 1 day. See detain no aka have to confirm on already for like a full day. Upon na turn ho to mad. Then haga okebe hanaga. If it will get to that stage, let it get to that stage. The heart of man is desperately evil. And to the people of Abia State, Biko, I'm still calling on you people. If you see something, say something. If you see something, say something. Enwere onye nọ gị n'akụkụ onye kwata n'ogbu unu o ndị ọkada ma ndị na ifo na ndị call on the security n'oge ka achọba ka ha mara ndị dị ha. Onwere ihe efu kwue ije n'ọhịa jee n'ubi na-afụ one kind movement nwere ike ịpụta gị ọ bụ na ifi gacha mebicha ihe dose raise alarm n'oge na ọka ha si ebido raise alarm n'oge. And to you political vampires in Abia State, I'm coming for you people. Chineke ya kpu n'ọkụ ọmandịrị ntalụ unu na mma ndụ ndị ọgbụnụ unu ya atụ n'ihe a ka unu wee promote your unsuccessful plan against the people of Abia State will backfire on your family's head. Bible make I water that they will boo on one hand, they drink their own obala. So with this this is what I'm proclaiming over your heads and the political vampires. Unu ye boo on and unu yang obala. Unu ye boo on and unu yang obala. Every atomato journey no when name is Alex Otti will never come to pass. Thank you for watching. Share this video.